In the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive industry, Škoda Auto aspires to be the beacon of innovation, and our procurement division is there to drive us to a sustainable future. At the heart of our journey, the procurement division plays a pivotal role where everything begins and ends, meaning not only obtaining materials, but also dealing with partners, property management, crisis management, asymmetric challenges, and more. In the world of procurement, our teams operates at the nexus of innovation and tradition. We hold a profound understanding of our products, combining technical know-how with our vision of excellence. Our employees serve as brand ambassadors, both locally and worldwide. We emphasize synergy, harmonizing the needs of our company with those of our valued partners. That is amongst the key things that we teach in our Procurement Academy, and which is also the focus of the unique purchasing field of study in the Czech Republic at Škoda Auto University. Škoda Auto is a vanguard of advanced supply chain practices where our work is more than a transaction. It is our common effort founded on cooperation and trust. And with all that, we hold ourselves accountable for implementing sustainable practices across our field of operation. Harnessing technology, we seamlessly coordinate every facet of our operations, from delivery logistics to pricing strategies. In the face of external problems and unforeseen situations, our procurement team remains an ever-agile guardian of buyer-supplier relations and needs of all the other Škoda Auto departments. Yet, amidst a stressful environment, we cherish positivity and lightheartedness. We are a team, and as such, we also overcome any obstacles that come our way. At Škoda Auto's procurement division, we're not just shaping the future of the automotive industry, we are striving to set the standard for resilience, innovation, and the commitment to a sustainable tomorrow. Škoda Auto Procurement, redefining excellence.